What's up, everyone? This is Mike here at FASS Motorsports. We're here with Derrick, our sales manager. Say hi, Derrick.
Hi, guys.
This is Derrick's truck. Derrick's truck happens to be one of the most popular and common trucks that customers call in and ask for parts for, so it works out perfect. The truck is a 2013 Ford Super Duty. The truck is also stock. So we're going to change that around. He likes all the cool stuff that everybody else likes here and most of you guys at home. Side-by-sides, he's a gearhead. He's hauling his race cars around, off-road camping, hanging out with the family. Also daily drives this thing. So we're gonna do what we can with what we have in this building to make the ultimate do-it-all truck build. Daily, off-road, intermediate towing, and legit looks build. Why don't you give us a little walk around of this thing and tell us about it.
So, truck's a 2013 Ford F-250. It's a platinum, you know, bougie. Like the shininess. I use this truck daily for work. I used to do concrete. Now I sling parts and love the lifestyle. So I bought some more aggressive all-terrain tires to kind of make it look the part, but it doesn't work. I mean, they're inside the fender wells. It's just not a good look. I got my grandpa mud flaps, my grandpa side steps. Probably get rid of those and do something that tucks up under there like amp. We got the standard toolbox. I mean, the truck's used. It's full, and we're still going to tow with it. So it's got to be able to be used every day.
What do you think, guys? King Blue, Carli Dominator Kit? I think that looked pretty dang good in there. So plans for this truck are to be able to tow, be able to do some off-roading, you know, some camping, hanging out on the weekend, warrior type stuff. Also look good, ride good daily driving. He's going to be running a 37, towing a decent amount of weight whenever he does tow. So the plans are do level height, going to throw around some car ideas, some Kings, stuff like that. Keep in touch. This truck is going to be at shows as well, so we're going to make it look as good as we can.